So today, you'll learn how to create a split in videos in CapCut Desktop. So the first step is to open your video project. And if you have one previously created, and that's the video you want to split, you want to select it from this projects section here. That's if it's there. If it's not, then you'll need to create a new project. So click on Create Project, and then wait for the project interface to load. Once loaded, you want to then select Import. So click on Import, and the File Explorer will be launched. So then navigate to wherever it is you have your video saved. And then once you found it and you've selected it, so for example, if I select this one, and then I can click on Open. Once I've opened it, I then need to add it to the timeline. In order for you to add it to the timeline, you can click on this plus icon and it will be added. Or you can just drag and drop it directly onto the timeline. Then you can see it displayed here. So this is how the video looks like in full length. If you want to create a split, the first step is to move this timeline to the exact position where you want to split the video. So you can do this in two ways. You can literally just drag the timeline all the way to the position, or you can play the video until you reach that specific spot where you want to create the split, and then you can pause the video in that exact position. So if, for example, if I wanted to split here, then I can just play the video and then pause whenever I reach that specific position, and then I can now start creating my split. So you can create your split either by using this toolbar at the top. So you should see toolbar, and then you should see these two brackets facing outwards. So this is the split icon. So whenever you click on it, you're creating a split in that exact position where this timeline is. Alternatively, you can always just choose to memorize the keyboard shortcut for that split option. And to do that, you want to come to shortcuts in the top right corner, and then you want to look for split, and currently split is set to Control S. So now if I click on my keyboard, whenever I select Control S, a split occurs in my video. So you can just choose to use either drag the timeline or pause and play the video until you reach the next spot where you want to create your split. Then you can use the tool, or you can use the keyboard shortcut and create your next split. And so you can keep doing that throughout the video until you're satisfied with how many splits that you've caused throughout the video. And then if you want to select a split part of the video, you just want to click on it. So you'll notice in between each video, there's this blue line that is highlighted whenever you hover your cursor over it. And this is what allows you to then just click on it, and then you can select transition, and you can add transitions in between each splits. If you want to delete a split, you can just select it and then click on delete, either on your keyboard or backspace on your keyboard, or you can click on delete in the toolbar and it will be removed. And once it's removed, the split, if you had one at the back, then it will automatically join to the next video. So from here, you can now go back and then just add transitions into the splits if you would like to. So for example, I can click on this space here, and when it's highlighted in blue, come to transitions and then select what type of transition I want, whether it's basic or camera or a light effect. And then once I've selected that, I can just download the transition. And then once the transition has been downloaded, I can click on plus. And then I can use this handles to increase or decrease the size of the transition, the duration of the transition, like that. Now, whenever I play my video just before the split, you can see the transition working as it goes into the next video. So you can go through the whole video and do the exact same thing with different types of transitions. So that's how you can split videos in CapCut Desktop. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.